Hello, I think things are going well. So I'm here with another video where I'll show you a quick demonstration of my another project that is a image twist. As the name suggests, image IMG twist. As you can see here, it refers to the original website that is image hosting platform. So here it is a very simple Django-based application to host images. If you want your own hosting of images, this you can use this platform. Although it is in the development stage, and I am on the testing of this backend system. So the testing environment is right now live on AWS server. So it will be a very quick video, maybe within 10 or 15 minutes. I will demonstrate you the code, the APIs, and the documentation, and I will enter to the server and things like that. Okay, so as you can see, this is just a temporary readme. I might update it later with something beautiful readme, but you would understand what's going right now. And this is the repository of this project. So Django is pretty much very simple. That it's a typical request response client server model. So as you know, my client request and server's response, and this is in monolith right now. I'm not planning to build any microservices version of this, but I would like to expand this project more, test, and then go live with a production version. So, and this is the backend code. You can see a lot of things are going here. Um, Generally, as time is too much short, so I intended to implement Elasticsearch. So there's an app, but I could not do right now. But in future upgrades, I would must include Elasticsearch. And I have also implemented some other extra features like rate limiting using token bucket algorithms and so much and so forth like that using middleware. So in generally, what it does that a user gives some images like products or categories or any whatever, and the images are hosted. And you can, if you just deploy this project, if you just deploy this project, you can have your own image hosting platform if you want to host your images privately. So okay, enough blah blah. Now coming back to the API testing, this is the most important thing, most important part of this video. So as you can see, there are three collections. ImageTwist. This one is the Django server model version of APIs, and this is the Docker. This is the Docker version development, but a Dockerized version of APIs. And now you can see this is the testing version, which is right now not. It will be kind of production, but testing you can say. And this testing version is deployed on AWS EC2 instance. And yeah, that's pretty much all. Now I will take some 5 or 6 minutes here to demonstrate all the APIs. So as the health checks, suppose that it is the health check. So yeah, before proceeding, I would like to show you that this is actually a production URL. I have used my favorite domain here, that is algocode.site. You can see Algocode. You will in my lot of projects, you'll see that I have used this domain. So I have a project named Algocode. If I go here. Um, Yeah, so Algocode is basically a lead codes backend kind of thing. So it is an online DSA, it gives a practice platform just like lead code. So it is a online judge. If a user gives C++ code and this backend, this is a microservices solution. You can see if you want to know more, please, it has a very good documentation. You would love it. So if a user gives a C++ code, it actually executes the code. Then it takes the test cases and generates a result like accept, wrong answer, compilation error, everything. And the best part is that no third-party APIs has been used. Everything is built from the scratch. So to build this project, I bought the domain, and for any other domain, I just make a subdomain with this domain, and I use that domain with any new project. So you can see this is why I have made a subdomain of ImgTwist and Algocode site. Algocode is actually hosted on Cloudflare, the DNS. So you can see everything as the you can say this testing. I would better rename it. Rename. It would it's much better. So yeah, now it is actually coming from the production that is in a testing environment or from EC2 server. Uh, and yeah, so let's send it request. You can see I have received a status. Cool, right. Now go to the user accounts. We'll be signing up. So this won't be. I have already inserted some dummy data, but this won't be mm, used because I have already created a user with this detail. So let's just change the credentials to create a new user here. And you can see a new user has been created, and I have received the access token. I will. Okay, now I'll just log in with a new user. I have signed up, and now it was 2, and here password is the same. Now I will again get an access token, and I will need this access token right now for future reference. Okay, so and this is logout, and how logout works is that it takes the access key, access token, and in the body it takes the reference. So what it does that it actually blacklists this refresh token so that no any access token could be generated in the future. But as you know the working principles of JW token that as long as the access token is valid, if he even we blacklist and refresh token, we the user continues to be a valid authentic user in the platform. So this how this wouldn't work because this refresh token is different. Access token is different. Okay, we know that. Okay. So the auth part very simple. Everything is no third-party application is used. Everything is written from scratch in this case. And now we'll be interested in the product session. So in the product, so what I am doing here is that we can get a product, get all the products, we can create a product, we can update product and delete product. So it's basically a CRD operation. So you can see again we are actually interacting with the production person, the testing the person of the ImageTwist, which is deployed on the AES EC2 server. So the URL is that to get a product that Algocode ImgTwist Algocode site API v1 products, then product, and then the UID of the product. So if you send, we can see that there's a no product with this ID. Cool. No, all okay. So now we'll try to get all the products of this. This API v1, then products, then all. So let's get all the products. You can see this is a mm, this is a page generated response. You can see this is the products. I have used custom render. So for a query set, it will be products, and for a single response, it will be a product. And this is the page generated response as the page count is 10. So as there is only two products, so there is no next and previous, and then results, and then the status is success, and this data. Under data there will be a code block, data block, and in the data block there is an ID which is the product ID and all the product related description, and then there is another data block that is image nested data block. So we'll be understanding more with this one. So there is a ID, this is the product ID, and this is the product name, that is Lumia Xperia 892, and this description, this price, this quantity, and there is another block that is images, the all the images related to this product. We can see all the images has an ID. It has an image URL where we can actually access the image and create it when the product was uploaded first. Okay, so now what we'll do that we are interested in creating a product. So how we can create a product? Okay, let's just rename this Realme Samsung phone, brand new Samsung smartphone. Cool. Price, let's the price is 1000 and quantity is let's 10. So we can see here the important thing is that we can upload a multiple images here. So at once we can upload multiple images. So let me select some images. That is okay. Let's this check this GIF and select some another images that is Tom Serious. Okay, cool. And we can select multiple images here also, but I am for um, visual effects. I am actually using the same thing thrice, multiple time. This can be used. And this is funny clown. I don't know what is this picture about, but okay, let's just choose this one. Okay, so we're setting the Postgres to the testing um, which is deployed on the AWS. Now send request. Cool. So 201, which is created status. And now you can see this is a single object. So there's the custom um, renderer and does not add S. So it is a product. It's not a query set, as I've already told you. And the strategy success in the data, the single data, there is an ID, which is products ID, name, Samsung new phone, description, brand new Samsung smartphone, cool, price, which automatically adds in decimal, and quantity is 10. Now the interesting part is that all the images related to it. Now, okay, what we'll do that, I will just copy this section and uh, go here and https imgtwst.algocode.site and now click yeah, so image is available. Was this me and my friend after believing in true love? Okay, never mind about the picture. I didn't know this picture is was about this one, but yeah, you can see uh, the backend. We can actually access the image, right? So, and we can see the other, it has a SSL certificate. We can see the certificate and the connection is secure. The certificate is also valid. You can see the ImageTwist Algocode site. So this is a valid, let's say that is a free SSL certificate that it provides. And yeah, we can actually access the image. Cool. So, yeah, we can access all the images as a single image is being accessed, then we can definitely access all other images. So let's copy it. It was searched. Yeah. So you can see we can really access the images. Now what we'll do that as we can actually create images, then we will be updating image. So to update an image we need the product ID. So yeah, I have copied the product ID now to the patch section, and we need to pass the product ID, and this is the product URL. You can see name Lumi Xperia. Okay, Lumi Xperia, make it Lumi Xperia new mobile, and uploaded image phonic. Oh yeah, the same image. Okay, let's add a few more images. That is Nijeke Shakti Kore whatever it is. Let's choose this image. Okay, now we're sending a patch request. yeah, it is successful, and you can see another new images is actually added to this, and the name is actually changed. Lumia, it was previously Samsung. Cool. So the patch request is also working, and now will be delete product. So don't delete it right now. Get all the products. And so as you can see, uh, we have three products right now, and this product does not have any images. So let's just delete this product. Delete this product. Okay. So to delete a product, we just need the product ID. And on things more that we need the authorization. We are actually taking the authorization from parent actually. So we have in parents, we have the authorization setup. Cool. So, and send the request. Yeah, the no content. So this is the sometimes we it happens that Postman could not able to show the content that when the request is 204. I've seen in Google that yeah, sometimes it happens. So the product is actually deleted and the response could not be shown. So if I send another request, we will be seeing that actually the product not found. So the product is deleted now. If I go to the wall products and send another request, we would see the count is 2. So that product is actually deleted. You can see there is only two product. Now, what I'll do that it has this product one has Lumia Xperia 892. This has four images, right? So what I would like to do that I just want to delete. I don't want to delete the product itself. I want to delete few images from it. So what I need that I need the product ID. From this product, delete these images. We don't need that. So in that case, I will come here, yeah, and then you can see there is a two body you can say that is image ID and image IDs. Image ID takes a single product ID, sorry, image ID, and image IDs takes a list of image IDs. So what is the difference? So you can actually pass a single whatever single image ID to delete a single image, or you can pass a multiple image IDs to delete multiple images at once. So if you want to pass a single image in image IDs, it will also work. So what we'll do that I will actually copy images, copy the IDs from here. Not this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, here I'll copy it here. So the one thing is that as this product, this is the first number product, and the product ID, this is the parent product ID, but this is not a parent product ID. So what if we pass a product ID that is non-parent? So this API will actually check. This API is here. There is products use, and yeah, this is the API I'm using here. So it will actually check whether this image ID is actually belongs to this product. If it is not, then it will tell you that yeah, images not related to Lumia Xperia 892 new mobile cannot be related. Invalid image IDs are. So these are the invalid image IDs. So these images does not related to this product. So we cannot get that. We only can delete images that is related to this product only. So what I can do is that just pass the valid IDs. I can take another ID. This is another ID, and now send request. And you can see again the same problem. So canceling it now. Go to the all products and get all the details of the products. We can see it has the past Lumi Xperia 892 new mobile has only now 2 years only. So you can see, and now again, if I go here and send another request, it will say that these are not related because it couldn't find any image IDs, any images related to this ID to this product. So I hope you get it. And this is, I'm not going into the details of these categories because this is just a simple CID operation of this category. But the most important fun was these products, deleting, taking multiple images at once and deleting bulk deleting, checking if the IDs are related to or not. So this was really fun to implement. Now, as this is done, so I'll just a quick wrap up. Yeah, so as the API section is done, so I'll go here and yeah, so yeah, this is the you can see this is the admin, and admin is also you can see this is the product images. Okay, and this is admin Algocode site image shoot admin, and this is the Swagger API. You can see all APIs you can image shoot Algocode site Swagger. Here, the all the APIs are nicely documented here. And this is the Redoc API, Redoc documentation. Yeah, as you can see, this is the Redoc documentation, and this is a Portainer. Portainer, if you know that Portainer is used for to manage the Docker containers. If you do not really want to enter into the server using SSH, you would like to you would like to manage those Docker containers using Portainer. So Portainer is also running ImageTwist. It is also running on a different subdomain, ImageTwist Portainer.algocode.site. So here you can see all the stacks, images, networks, containers. So these are the running containers right now. And this is the code manager. In the server, I'm also running a few other um, project containers. So let's ignore that. This code manager is actually related to the Algocode, the lead code online I told you. And this is the image twist containers right now here. So I am actually running the Postgres container. This is the Django container. This is the Portainer, and this is the npm. And this is I think this rate is for the rate limit I already told you. I have inbuilt rate limit, but I have not enforced it. You can find it in the middleware section of the settings.py. And yeah, so we can actually manage the containers from here. So now what we'll do that I will enter into the server and show you check the server where I have actually hosted this thing. So so let me really quickly copy the pin path. This is the pin path of the 3 7. Yeah, so 3 7 21. Did I put the 37? Oh, sorry, 37 42 21. Sorry, my bad. 37 42. Yeah, I gave the wrong IP previously. Yeah, I am inside the my server. You can see this is the server. I am using free tier server of AWS EC2. This is 1 GB of RAM. Okay, so and and this is the Docker's containers are running, and you can see dev image twist, dev image twist, dev image twist. and this is the Dev ImgTwist API image. So this is the backend Django image, and these are Redis, these are Postgres, and these are the other monitor internet. So what I like to to enter into the Django container. It is the Django container here. You can see API image. So DAT, yes, yeah. You can see I am right now in the Docker container of the Django app, and you can see these are the mm, and these are the things we're actually happening right now here. So this is the container which is actually powering up the Django. Now, for right now, I am actually using a script to deploy my project. Here is that script. So here it is actually assessing and it is actually making a tar file and extracting this. Uh, it first stops the container, running container, then again runs the container with a new updated data. So this is all about the project right now. So we can really, I was talking about the um, um, rate limiting here. You can see that this is the rate limiting algorithm I have written. So what I've we can definitely upgrade this project using more AWS cloud resources like S3, and we can we can test more edge cases, and we can really make this project big. So I'll be continuously updating this project, and if you'd like to have any suggestion specific you would like to know more, please to let me know. I'd be happy to help. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you so much.